Hey guys! This is a requested video and I was asked to make a wall decor that can be used for the dining and the kitchen area. These are all super easy DIYs. Now let's go ahead and get started. I got these wooden letters from Walmart and I got HOM but I couldn't get E, so I got a letter F and then another letter Z to cut out a part of the Z that I can use to complete the letter E. After I was done with that, I painted all the letters black. This is a large poster frame that I got from Walmart, and I'll be detaching the contents from the outer frame. And it's paper that's at the top. I'm going to turn it over, and that's going to serve as my white background. The height is perfect, but the width is going to be cut to 11 inches. I'm going to do this for the board, the paper, and the soft plastic sheet. Now that I've made a mark, I'm going to draw a line here and cut it with a pair of scissors. Now that I have all three cut, I'm going to put them together and put them back into the frame. Now the frame for the top and bottom is going to be a little bit long, so I will cut it down using a pair of scissors. Now that I've customized the poster frame to the size that I want, I'll be making use of these mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. I got 4 of them. And this is how I'm going to be arranging them on top. I'm going to glue all the mirrors down using a hot glue gun. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking the letters that I painted black and gluing them on top of all of the mirrors. I got this garden fence from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be detaching the parts of this garden fence that I'll be needing for the project using a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut out 6 of these shapes and then spray paint them black. I'm going to be arranging them on the frame to see if I like what it looks like. And then this is what I ended up with. So I'm going to be gluing them down using a hot glue gun. I also cut out these parts from the garden fence and spray painted them black, and I'm going to add them to the design. I'm going to add a little bit of shine to it with some gems. And the gems will be glued inside these circular shapes. After I was done with that, I decided to add more gems to the design in the middle. When I was done, I turned it to the back to make provision for hanging. Now this is what came with the poster frame, but because I cut it, it moved away from the middle. So I'll be making a provision to mount it on the wall in the middle, and then making provision where I can insert the hook and it's going to sit properly inside the board, and then sealing it off with a hot glue gun. This is a large and beautiful piece that was so easy to make. Now for the next project, I'll be using this 11 by 14 inch photo frame that I got from the Dollar Tree and turning it to the back and removing the parts that are inside so that I can flip the paper like I did for the first one to the other side, because I'll be making use of the white to serve as the white background for the project. I'm cleaning the top of the glass with a glass cleaner before I continue to make sure that anything I glue on top is going to remain there. I got this mirror from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be gluing it in the middle using a hot glue gun. I also got this salad set from the Dollar Tree and I'll be making use of 3 of them. I'll be covering the middle part for all of them with tape. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted it black. Now this is what they all look like. Now I'm going to be using them to decorate the frame. I still used the garden fence and cut out pieces from there and spray painted it black. I then cut them down to the size that I'll be needing to add to the design on the frame. To add to the design, I'll be using these parts of the garden fence as well. I cut more of the circular shapes to complete the look. I glued the smaller shapes to all 4 corners on the frame. Now these circular shapes, like I did for the previous wall decor, is going to be decorated with gems. And now I'm going to be using smaller gems to cover these openings here. This is a small size Christmas ornament ball that I'm going to be gluing in the middle. I'm gluing it here to face this direction to see if I like it. And if I don't, I can always change it. I got the succulent from the Dollar Tree, and that's going to go inside. After seeing what it looked like, I decided to just change the direction of how I place the ornament ball. So I glued it in such a way that the wall decor will be mounted horizontally. This is a way to have something fun and interesting on the wall of your dining area. You can customize it however you like to make it look good even in the kitchen. I really love how this first wall decor turned out as well, and it's so pretty and super easy to make. I really had fun making this, and I hope you all enjoyed the video, and remember to like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.